Should we try some scrimp?
Jamaica don't have Popeyes.
Niacinamide. And another one. You can't be single piece at all.
If you ready, son, then go and bend your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Then DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm in Trader Joe's, and I didn't come here to pick up a lot of stuff, but it's so packed in here, so I'm trying to get out of here quick. I don't know, I didn't expect it to be so packed in here, but I should have figured. It's Friday. So yeah, I'm about to go grab the few stuff that I need, and then I'm out of here because this is giving me anxiety, and I don't get such anxiety. Thankfully, I don't need much stuff, so I shouldn't be in here long. I have pineapple for $2.99. I will be getting, why is it so small though? That's probably why it's $2.99, right? I'm gonna try to find the biggest one. This one's a nice size. And another one. Eggs. KFC eggs. We're gonna take out this one. Avocados for $5. They're kind of small, but I'm gonna get them. Good bag. Y'all, these salmon burgers are my favorite. I'm about to. What's the price? What's the price? What's the price? I don't say the price. Oh, $7.49. I'm about to grab 2 of these. Oh my god, I love these. I don't know if I should try the shrimp or the mahi-mahi. That's like fish, right? The shrimp is $6.99. Mahi-mahi is $7.99. So I look, you want to try this one. Then again, salmon is fish. So try the shrimp. Should we try some scrimp? Yo, these are my favorite snacks in here. We're gonna get 2 bags. As if I'm not in the gym. Oh, they have another one down here. Wait. I love these, yo. I haven't had these in a minute. Ooh, that's a lot of salt. Okay, we're gonna take 1 bag. We finna take 1 bag. That's a whole lot of salt.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell, Beyonce?
I'm about to get out of here, but I need to find one more thing. I need a good salad dressing. Like, I don't know where to find that. One that don't have a bunch of salt and shit in here. So we're gonna try to find that, and then we're gonna get out of here because I don't want to see that line right now. Oh really? Isn't that risky? That's kind of risky.
Maybe that's why they get stolen.
Hey y'all, so I'm back home as y'all can see, and your girl is tired. I am tired, I'm exhausted. This phone is dying, so I'm gonna just put away the stuff that needs to be put away in the fridge or the freezer. So yeah, I'll pick this back up tomorrow, probably when I come from the gym or before, either one. I'm tired. Good night. So this is my pre-workout breakfast. There's some oats. I just made it, so I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 hours in the fridge before I eat it. Then we off to the gym. This is strawberries, oats, chia seed, granola, bananas. I added bananas in the middle. Oh yeah, I can't really see it. There's double bananas, double strawberries. Because it's that good. Look at that. It's so freaking good. So I did decide to make a smoothie. This is mango, pineapple, banana, and some dragon fruit chunks. I need to get some more. This is the last of it. So we're gonna see how it comes out. All I've been making is green smoothies, so I wanted something different. This is the milk that I use, 40 calories, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 0 sugar, dairy free, all of that. Yep. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is the protein powder that I use. I have a good amount, but it's really big. This is the one that I use. So yeah, that's a powder that's in there. And we're gonna mix it up. So you're gonna pour the milk from top. I don't really put a lot of milk. That should be enough. Yeah. Let's get to mixing. So let's go to frozen. We're gonna start with frozen.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, y'all, I tasted off a spoon when I just stirred it just now. I think I put a little bit too much. Actually, I don't think so, because the YouTubers, they be putting a lot of protein powder. I didn't put it that much. I didn't put the whole scoop or nothing, so I don't know. Oh, let me drop a straw in there. I'm finally gonna give you the Trader Joe's haul real quick because I'm not trying to make this be too long. So let's get right into it. First things first, I got me some salmon, some fresh Atlantic salmon. Make me a nice little salmon dinner one of these days. Probably some curry salmon or something, I don't know yet. We'll see. I got some ground chicken, butter, vinegar, and rosemary extract. Protein, baby, protein. Then I got some eggs, of course, organic free-range eggs. Yeah. I got 2 pineapples. So these are for my smoothies and my just to eat, because I love pineapples. They're my favorite. And then we got some mini avocados. That's like for me to eat like one per. To literally could eat one per meal. It's 6 of them. So it was worth. I think it was $4. I got some unsweetened almond milk. This is for my smoothies also. And if I'm making like some like special pancakes or whatever. Yeah. I don't eat cereal when I'm home. I literally only eat cereal when I'm at my dad's. So that's not even for cereal. That's literally for my smoothies. And then I got this sweet chili sauce. I got some sweet chili sauce. Wait, I thought it was a ginger one I picked up. Wait, did I pick up the wrong one or did I buy both? I thought I could have sworn I picked up another one, but sweet chili sauce. Yeah, so I definitely did buy both because I know I wasn't bugging. I know I wasn't tripping. So yeah, I got the Thai sweet ginger sauce. I can't wait to try this because I wonder what this tastes like. I don't know if I'm gonna make it on some chicken or some. Probably I'll use it with a piece of the salmon or something. Let's try it out. Then we have some pesto sauce for the pasta. I bought some pasta, so I'm gonna try it on. I'm literally gonna try it on this. This is the pasta I bought. It's organic lemon torchetti pasta. But yeah, I'm gonna try the pesto sauce on it to see how they go together because it's lemon and pesto sauce. I don't know how that works, but we're gonna try something. All right, so next up we got some almond butter. So I've been wanting to get some almond butter, but it was so expensive in the supermarket, so I forgot how much I paid for this. Oh, I have the receipt. I gotta check the price. And then we have some unsweetened almond cashew and macadamia nut beverage. I'm gonna drink it cold, of course, and see how it tastes. It's unsweetened, so we'll see. But it got macadamia nuts and cashews. Cashews is my favorite, so hopefully it tastes good. But I'm pour over cereal, use for baking, add to smoothies, drink by the glassful, okay? And we will be doing that. Next we got some guava fruit spread. Hopefully this is not too sweet. This is the sugar is 10 grams, so we'll see. It's organic, so, but I want to try it on my bread and my crackers, so like a little snack. I want a little snacky snack. Next, we got some garlic powder. Can't go wrong with the garlic powder. We need that when you're cooking. Then we have some onion salt. Then we have some dates. I've been wanting to try dates, so I'm glad I got this. I know it's gonna clean me out. And then we have some avocado spray. High heat and all that, because yes, I'm gonna use this to make my eggs and what else? Probably just eggs. Yeah, because I got my olive oil for everything else. I cook with olive oil. I cook with olive oil. This is the olive oil I use to cook. It's a big bottle. This is the one I use. My dad had got me one, but it's not the same brand. I think he got it from BJ's. Yeah, but the bottle was a little bit smaller than this one. But when I saw this, it was like $3 more than that price. So I was like, let me just get this one instead. So yeah, we still going strong. We good for now. We good for now. Yeah, next up is some drinks. I bought a few drinks to try. I have mango, pineapple. So this one is pineapple, 100% pineapple, organic pineapple. This one is a matcha green tea, unsweetened. This one is a mango juice. And then this one is an organic sparkling elderberry and pomegranate apple cider vinegar beverage. That's a lot. This is a lot. I know for a fact this is a detox. This is a detox drink. This is definitely a detox drink, and I definitely will be using it for that. Sure will. Gotta tell me twice. So yeah, those are the drinks. I think that's it. I gotta get the what I went there for. Oh, the bread and stuff. All right, so those are the drinks, but I got a few stuff that I had to open before. I had to open them right away. Okay, so I got some organic brown sugar. I had to open that and pour it into my jar. I put it in my mason jar. So that's for my tea when I'm making my tea. And then I got this. I saw this bread on Instagram, I think. Yeah, I saw this Ezekiel bread on Instagram. So it's a low glycemic flourless bread. Sparta green bread. Sesame. It says flourless, so what they use to make it if it's flourless? Oh. So this bread don't have any flour, so we're gonna see how it tastes. Because that's the first for me. Yo, look at this. Yo, look at this. Yo, I damn near demolished this bag. Like, I was tempted to get two, but I had to discipline myself. Because, girl, you in the gym, you should not be eating this. It's a little snacky snack. So I was like, you know what, let me just get one. But I opened it the same night I got it. Sure did. Yep. And I have some today. So this is what we got left. I'll put it on the screen what the actual bag look like. I went there for these two things. These are legit the only two things I went there for. Like, that was it. I had nothing else in mind. Nothing else in mind. But I couldn't help myself because I'm like, I haven't shopped there in a minute. I'm like, let me just shop here for this month because I haven't bought from here. I haven't shopped in Trader Joe's in a minute. But yeah, these freaking salmon burgers. Chef's kiss. Chef's freaking kiss. Listen, I tried it and I tried it one time and I loved it ever since. So I said, yeah, we're getting these. These gonna be my snack or my go-to, like if I want to make a lazy dinner or something. Yeah, or after gym meal or something, like lunch, dinner, whatever. It's a grilled baked pan fried. I think I put it in the oven. Yeah, I put it in the oven for, I forgot how much minutes, whatever. And Old Bay and garlic powder. That's it. And it was so good. It was so good. Yep. So I got two of them. Then I picked this one up. Mahi Mahi burgers. I have to look at what Mahi Mahi was because for some reason I thought it was something else. I didn't think it was fish. So I had to look it up. And yeah, it's fish. So it says fish burgers. So I'm gonna try this one out. I think I had tried the shrimp ones before, and I don't think I liked them. So that's why I left it. I was like, yeah, let me just try the Mahi Mahi. And y'all, this is the bread that I'm gonna use for the burgers. Multigrain slim sandwich bread. This is what I'm gonna use. Y'all, they're only 100 calories. 5 grams of fiber, so it's perfect. Since I've been in the gym, I've been using this bread to make like tuna sandwiches or like sardine sandwiches or like breakfast sandwiches. This is what I use. This a similar one to this, not this exact one, but a similar one to this that I got from like a supermarket. The last thing is this, or what is it? Argentinian red shrimp with the ginger garlic butter and Tagashi style seasoning. So this is, it was in the freezer because you know I had to put it up, but you can see how it looks in the back. I'm gonna make this one day, like I'm gonna make like I'm gonna do a TikTok with like a Trader Joe's meal, like a Trader Joe's dinner meal with like a, you know, with this. I might use a pasta because I couldn't find no rice in Trader Joe's. Yo, back in the day they had this basmati medley rice and it's like they don't sell it no more. Maybe I'm gonna have to go to the other Trader Joe's to see if they have it, because I feel like that would go well with this shrimp, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna make a Trader Joe's style meal, like dinner. And yeah, oh yeah, if you guys are not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok because I'm definitely posting over there, and I've been consistent posting over there. Yeah, I just started or whatever, but yeah, I've been consistent. I've been real consistent. So follow me on TikTok. I'll put it on the screen. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, yo, all I paid was $125. And yeah, the almond butter was $5.99. Yeah, normally it'd be way expensive in the supermarket, so I'm glad I got it for $5.99.
Success to be a maker.
Y'all, so I don't remember the last time I vlogged, but I'm about to go on a little adventure with my friend. I'm about to go to Jersey with her real quick. So but we're taking a train today, we're not driving. So yeah, well, the same friend that y'all saw in the beginning of the vlog, like earlier down in the vlog. So yeah, we about to head to Jersey real quick, and then I don't think we're doing anything today. Outside is real gloomy and shit. It's gonna be raining today. I should cross. It's gonna be raining today. Y'all see the hat? It's Gemini season, so you know I had to pull the hat out real quick.
In New Jersey.
Oh, see, we blind. We look lost in New York and we live here. This is sad. We never took the train before. That's
Oh my god, I need to take a video of this. Yo.
Yo. But it definitely says past train to Jersey all the way down here. You're so mesmerized. That's so real.
How do you get the voices?
Come on, tourists that lives in New York.
How do you get the voices on the
She be living single, but damn, I miss home.
We're in Jollibee, and y'all can see it. She's trying it for the first time, but she don't like it. She said it's too salty.
Yeah, no.
I'm not straw.
The mashed potato? Yeah.
Oh, you didn't try the spaghetti? Try spaghetti. It's not salty. It's not salty.
No. I don't think I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it.
Girl, you gotta mix it up.
Nails not even
I
done.
gotta do my TikTok. And the bingo lemonade.
This is the best.
You like?
Yeah, that one
I
is
told you
good.
you like that. She don't like the chicken.
This is good.
I told. Look at you. I told you.
Oh, they have sausage
They have
too?
sausage in it. I told you.
But that mashed potato? Disgusting.
Yeah, this one is a little salty.
Yeah.
Yeah, this time I had it, it was good.
I think I'm not gonna want that chicken fries.
Didn't I say that you were gonna do that?
Yeah,
I told you that.
it's good. But the chicken is salty.
I don't like the biscuits. I just eat the chicken and the
I don't like biscuit from Norway. I don't taste
pineapple
it.
lemonade. Oh, you like the pineapple?
Yeah, I like the drink. It's nice. I like pineapple. Everywhere I go, I order pineapple juice.
Me too. Me too. Oh,
That is like the best thing.
the best thing that they have.
That and drink. That's the same.
Yeah, she was not feeling the chicken at all.
But you know when you're hungry, anything tastes good. Even if it's salty, you gotta like put it in the back of your head and just
Right. We're gonna get some to go. Are you sure?
yeah.
You're gonna get. What would you rate it? Out of
Oh my god, I would give it a 3. Listen, Popeyes is the best thing, huh?
I don't. It's crazy. I don't like Popeyes.
What?
Not that, okay. I know the chicken is good, but I'm not crazy about Popeyes.
Oh, Wendy's is good.
This girl love Wendy's.
But this, what's called?
She's gonna come.
Jollibee. Jollibee, you ain't shit. It smells like butter, like too much butter.
Yeah, that's what I smell.
Oh. No, thank you. I won't do it again.
Not a 3.
Matter of fact, it's a 2.
You know, I love Popeyes.
The drink is good.
You ever had Popeyes in Jamaica?
Jamaica have Popeyes?
Don't. Excuse me?
Shut up. Jamaica don't have Popeyes.
Sherry.
Oh,
Don't do that.
Oh.
Remember, you're Jamaican by association, so don't try to play us, okay?
Jamaica have Popeyes?
Yes, we do. They don't have Popeyes in Grenada?
No.
I'm weak. We have Popeyes. We have Domino's. We have Pizza Hut. Yeah. Put some respect on it, please.
Anyways, Jamaica chicken, KFC.
She was over here trying to talk shit about Jamaican KFC. They all trying to bother us, so we're not bothering them.
Grenada have the best KFC, alright? And I keep saying it over and over. Not even Trinidad.
Every country gonna say that.
Y'all chicken is white.
What you mean white?
It don't have like a good color. It don't look good. It look like it's half cooked. Half cooked. You leave it out for longer than like a 5 minutes and earworms.
No, she didn't.
Half cooked.
Let me tell you something. The reason why
It was kind of good.
I'm not even defending that because Jamaican KFC is not the same like it was years ago. It's not. And the last 2 times I went down there, I had KFC like once, and I've been down there for like a month because I love their Popeyes. But I was telling you, Popeyes is so good.
Popeyes, really? I need to go to Jamaica to try that. If y'all don't have no relatives in Jamaica, when y'all going, y'all need to stay in Ocean Eden's Bay. Remember one time JetBlue was just canceling flights? We was in Jamaica that time. But besides Jamaica chicken, down there is nice. In Grenada,
If they come for you in
everything is nice in Grenada.
If they come for you in Commons,
Chicken is nice.
I
Oh,
can't
gosh.
say that because I've never been to Grenada.
Well, I need to take you.
Yeah,
So you
we'll be
could-
going eventually, but I can't
you
defend
could
that right
try.
now. I can't defend that right now.
Beat all
How do you see a worker how she see a worker walking past and she said, oh, I should be okay. Because she don't like the food. Sure, you are blessed.
This is the train to World Trade Center.
Oh, we're finally back. I want to go cook when I get home, but all I have is spaghetti from what you call it? Jollibee. That's gonna be my dinner. It's something. I don't know if I'll make some chicken or whatever I'm gonna add to that, but it's raining, so I'm trying to rush home right now. Oh, it's running my face. I'll be lying to people saying I have a man and they still I don't understand this man. I knew he was Haitian. I said, oh, I have a boyfriend. The man said, oh, that's okay. We could be friends. We could be friends. You know, I give you advice if you want to. I give you advice if you and your boyfriend have problems. Why would I go to you? If I need advice from a man, I will go to my dad. Why would I go to you? They think they slick. He's like, oh, it's the second time I see you. You live around here. I guess I'm going to tell him where I live. Sir. So, y'all, this is me walking away from where I live to make sure this man don't follow me. Because what the hell? I'm literally walking the opposite way just so he doesn't follow me. You telling me that you saw me, oh, you live around here? It's the second time you see me. Why would I confirm that?
Lady, yeah, confirm, yes.
Like, why would I confirm that? I'm not interested. I gotta look out for him. Like, I'm feeling like I'm walking in circles right now because this man, yo, these Haitians, bro, they're aggressive. So, I'm trying to get home, get out this rain before I get sick. I don't have a scarf around my neck. And now I gotta be walking in circles because this man might be bothered. Like, I don't understand. No means no. I'm literally trying to get home before this rain comes down. You can't be single in peace. I'm trying to walk home in peace. You can't be single in peace at all. The fact that I told him that I have a boyfriend and he still was chatting me down, like, sir. So he gave me one of his cards with his number on it. It's like, oh, take the 646 number is his. I don't care because I'm not gonna call you. I'm not gonna call you, so I don't care. What number is yours? Kicked out in the streets.
Ain't a woman alive that can take my mama's place. Black queen, mama, you always was a black queen, mama. Was committed, a full single mother on welfare. Tell me how you did it, dear mama.
Y'all can't see nothing. I ain't asked you.
Let me hear you make some Holy Ghost crazy noise right now. Let me hear.
This is my song.
Come on, Mike.
The angels bow down at the thought of you. Give way to the light that we gives us life brand new. Hosanna forever we worship you. I'm the joy that my soul has for. Patience and kindness and favor and mercy, honor and glory because you are worthy. No better love in this world for you. What is the back to the things you love forever and ever.
Hey y'all. Did y'all like my little praise and worship on a Wednesday night? Why not? It's Wednesday, May 21st. Y'all see, it's Wednesday, May 21st. And excuse the noise outside because they're doing construction at this time of night. I don't know why. That's one of my favorite songs from like back in the day. Like this song, it was just in my head and I'm like, yo, let me play this song. It was in my head. It literally just reminded me of when I was on choir, like back in the day, my teenage years when I was on a choir. And I think, yeah, we used to perform that song. Yeah, definitely. I think we did a praise dance with them. The Kirk Franklins, the Yolanda Adams, the who else? The Mary Marys. Yeah, those was our songs back in the day for the choir and the praise dances and stuff. It was fun. It was actually fun. But yeah, so I just had to get that out of my system just now. Even I didn't do much, but you know, I had to get that out of my system. Yeah, when the Lord speaks, He speaks. I have to get that out of my system. It was the reason why I was in my head. I don't know why I was in my head because I haven't listened to it in a minute. Honestly, I listened to my gospel, but that song specifically, I haven't listened to it in a while. After that little situation outside with that Haitian man, I had to, because I don't know what that was, and the devil might be at work, and we rebuke it in the name of Jesus because I don't know what that was. I felt like stalker vibes, and that, like I said, that's why I was walking around in circles before I got home because I was scared that he was still on the block. And I literally was on my block when he stopped his car. This man stopped his car. He was like, "Excuse me, can I talk to you?" I'm walking, right? He drove up on me. He stopped his car. He's like, "Oh, can I talk to you for a minute?" And I'm like, "Why?" But then I remember, like, be nice. Don't do too much because some of these men, they don't like to take no for an answer. They don't know how to take no for an answer. So, you know what? I'm gonna stop. Not interested, but I'm gonna stop. Just because he's driving. I don't know who was in the car. I don't know what's in the car. I don't know. I don't know nothing. So I stopped. He's like, oh, I talked to him for a minute. I said, why? This man getting out of the car. He's not answering. He getting out of the car. So I'm backing up. I'm like, he's showing his card. He's like, oh, I want to give him my business card. What's a card? I don't know where's that. Because like I said, I'm not interested. So I don't care. He's like, what he said? He's like, oh, I have a business card. When I looked at the business card, it was construction. I'm like, okay, whatever. If anything, I give it to my dad, my brothers, whatever. And yeah, I was looking at him. He's like, oh, that's my number. You could call me. I said, you didn't even ask about a boyfriend. I don't understand. Like, these men just don't ask that question anymore. I know some females don't care, but I do. You need to ask. You need to ask. Even though I'm single. I'm single right now, but still, ask. The hell? Not every female is like that. And some of these men refuse to understand that. So, he feel like he put his business card is going to be like, oh, a goal. No, sir. Still not interested. He's sending you chatting. I'm going to throw in the clip on the side of the screen right here for y'all to see. I have a boyfriend. You don't care?
Be a friend, like
I have enough friends. I couldn't get much because I want to make it obvious that I was recording him. But, sir, if I'm telling you I'm not interested, take no for an answer. F with Haitians heavy. Like, I don't have a problem with Haitians at all. He thought I was Haitian because he was like, where you from? And I was like, where you think I'm from? And he was like, are you Haitian? And I don't feel no way about that because I've got that a lot of times. So he was like, oh, yeah, Haitian. I was like, no, I'm Jamaican. He was like, oh, you look Haitian. And I'm like, I guess. I don't know what you want me to say to that. He was like, well, we could be friends. He could say, man, we could be friends. I was like, but if I told you I have a man, why you want trying to be my friend? He was like, oh, you're just a friends. Like, if when you and your man have problems, I could give you advice. Does that make sense? These men be thinking they slick, and that's just a play. I know what that is. I'm very grown. I know what that is already. You can't come to me with that. That's not gonna work with me. So when he said, I laughed. I'm like, yeah, you're not trying to be nobody's friend. So yeah, stop. And he was like, no. I'm like, listen, I'm not interested. So I'm trying to leave. I'm backing up. Sir is coming towards me, and I'm like, all right, stop. Like, because now you in my space. Now like, I'm trying to be nice, but now you're pushing it. Seriously, I can't wait to move from around here because honestly, I've noticed a lot of men around here, they do not take no for my answer. They don't take no for my answer, like, at all. I'm not saying this is just around here, but like in my neighborhood, they don't take no for my answer. I cannot wait to move from around here. Like, I swear to God. But yeah, what else he said? He was like, oh, you're not gonna tell me a name? I'm like, no. He's like, okay, I'm gonna call you beautiful. I said, okay. Like, I'm very confident. My self-esteem is up. I don't need you to tell me I'm beautiful. I don't know, cocky shit. It's just, I know what you're coming with. I know what you trying to do already. With Haitian men, they talk so much shit about Jamaican men, but Haitian men, I would never again, ever again. And my ex is Haitian, but it's not even about him. It's people before him. Like, what? I would never. Maybe with my ex, it didn't get as far for me to find out certain shit, but because I nipped it in the bud quick and fast. Once I see the bullshit, ain't got time. I've dealt with Haitian men that have hid kids in their country and all that shit. So when they say shit about Jamaican men, I'm like, y'all need to stop with the we called it. Stop categorizing Jamaican men as if they're the only piece of shit men. Like, they're not the only piece of shit men. And I've dealt with piece of shit Jamaican men. I'm just saying, they're not the only ones. If we're gonna categorize piece of shit men, we're gonna categorize the entire Caribbean. Because I've heard about Guyanese, I've heard about Trinity, I've heard about just about every Caribbean country. So yeah, don't get me wrong, I'm not defending the Jamaican men at all. I'm not, because like I said, I've dealt with crosses the Jamaican man. Okay, so I'm not defending them, but I've heard stories about Haitian men. I've seen it with my own two eyes. They're on some next level shit, and I'm speaking from experience. So yeah, we will never go back there. Never. So yeah, anyways, let me but I had to call my friend and tell her like, yo, these men, we can't be single in peace. Because she was telling me about some story about her too. Can we be single in peace? Is it okay for a female to be single? Like, I know it's not normal. Some females actually don't have a problem being single. Some females actually enjoy their single life. Some females actually just don't care to tolerate bullshit from men. Some of us, yeah, we're content with being single if we want to be. Yeah, if we need to be single, we're gonna do that. Yeah, but child, I hope y'all can hear me because this noise outside is annoying the hell out of me. I have like an Amazon package. I know we're supposed to be boycotting Amazon, but we I needed some facial products, like important facial products I needed, so I had to get them. And honestly, Amazon is more convenient. Listen, at this point, everybody doing something at this point. You can't believe nothing. At this point, it's like, yeah, you can't control what these people do. But yeah, let me do this unboxing real quick because it's not much stuff, thank God. And then I'm gonna see y'all another day. I don't know if I'm gonna see y'all another day. This might be the end of the vlog. I'm not even sure. It might be. So if y'all cut off abruptly, I'm sorry. It might be the end because I don't know how long this vlog is right now. So just let y'all know in advance. Okay. The first thing is I got the pink stuff. So they said it's good for like, it's a multi-purpose cleaner, miracle cleaner. So it's good for grease and tough on grease and grime, streak free, tough on grease and grime, streak free, and whatever else it says. When you're cooking and the grease be splashing on the walls, that shit's so annoying to me. So this is what I got this for. So we'll see if it works. I also got some razors because I shaved my face. And not alone though. You have to put oil on your face. You have to put oil on your face when you're shaving it. So yeah, I put vitamin E oil and then I shave my face with the razor. I'm gonna show you how they look. I already used one, so I only got 2 left. 3 comes in a pack. The first time I bought it, I cut myself with it. They're really sharp. They won't even come out. This is how they look. They're really sharp. So I already used one because I needed it bad. Next is turmeric soap. I have a 3-pack turmeric soap. This is for my dark spots. And I want to start showering, like scrubbing with it, like taking a shower with it instead of body wash. So yeah, I'm just going to use these. I need to put one in the bathroom right now before I forget. Okay, this is how it looks. And you're going to slide it on out. Yeah. It smells good. I hope it's not a lot of fragrance because I hate that. But turmeric smells so good. Oh, this is so cute. It has, oh, she gave me a bag. Okay, she gave the bag. It's a bag. Oh, so each of them have a bag. That's cool. Yeah, this is a bag that you store it in after you use it. That's cute. Thank God she gave me a bag. I was gonna put it in my dish, my soap dish anyways, but that was thoughtful. I like that. So I like thoughtful business people. I like that. This is one of my favorites beauty products, like skincare products. My favorites. Bam. Niacinamide. If you have dark spots, if you have pores, all of that stuff, niacinamide right here works wonders for your skin. If you have pores, dark spots, blemishes, it works so good for your skin. And I have to get it. I wish I should have got the bigger bottle, but I'll know next time. I was supposed to been re-up. I also want to get the snail mucin essence. I'm putting on the screen the essence one. That works for my skin too. I was using this and this that's on the screen, and y'all, them together, like heaven. It makes your skin feel so smooth, so soft. Like I'm not promoting nothing because this ain't a sponsorship. So yeah, but it works. The last thing I got is the neem and turmeric soap. I thought I took this out of the cart since I already have the turmeric soap, but I got it, so we're gonna still use it. But neem, I had a neem scrub. I'll put it on the screen what it looks like. It's the same brand, Himalaya neem scrub. Y'all, I mixed it with my cleanser. I mixed the scrub and the cleanser together and massage it into my face, and my face be so smooth after, like. But I ran out of this scrub and I was like, I'm gonna try the soap. But then I started turmeric soap and I forgot to take this out of the card, so we're here. But yeah, let me show you how it looks. It's green. It's a green soap bar. But yeah, y'all, it works. This works. I'll probably use this to shower with. Yeah, no, I'm gonna use this on my face and use the turmeric soap to shower with. And that's the plan with my African neck. This right here. This is what I shower with. I don't use washcloths, or this is what I shower with. This or this. And my skin be soft and smooth, like baby smooth. Okay? So if you want your skin soft, smooth, y'all need to be showering with these. The rags are outdated now. This is what y'all need to be showering with. When I tell y'all, when I get out the shower, my skin be so smooth. Ooh, smooth like a baby. Smooth like a baby, y'all. So yeah, that's it for the. I think this will be the end of the vlog, y'all. I think this will be the end of the vlog. Okay. I hope this vlog is long enough. It's currently Gemini season. Like, as y'all see, I don't know if I'm doing anything for my birthday. Probably not. I'm really not in the mood just to do anything. I'm just not. I don't know. This year was just. I didn't get the vibe that I wanted to get for my birthday this year because I had so much been on my mind with missing my mom, my grandmother, and just it's a lot mentally. My birthday's on Monday. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, but we'll see. We shall see. I'm currently uploading my DR vlogs. Yes, they're late. They're from last year, but it don't matter. Y'all watch reruns of movies, shows, whatever, so it don't matter. Okay? I'm still uploading my content. That's all that matters. I've been creating content. I've been posting on TikTok heavy. Like, I've been editing my YouTube vlogs. I'm proud of myself. Like, pat myself on the back. Because what? It takes a lot to edit. It takes a lot. It's not easy to edit. So, I'm proud of myself. Like, I told myself I'm gonna post 2 times a day on TikTok. I'm gonna try for 3, but we're gonna, if it's 2, it's 2. And my YouTube, I'm trying to edit and roll them out quick and fast. So yeah, I'm proud of myself about that, because I'm just in my content bag right now. Because why not? It's too much money out here to not be in your content bag. It's too much money to be literally sitting watching other people do it. You could do it too. We all could do it. So that's what I'm doing. Okay? We literally be sleeping on ourselves. Like, we literally be playing with our potential. And we gotta stop that. We gotta stop playing with our own potential. Because if they could do it, we could do it too. Period. Okay? Okay? Period. But there's so much money on social media for us just to be sitting here watching people do it. Get in your bag, okay? Get in your social media bag and get your money too. It's enough for everybody. It's enough for everybody. All right? We're gonna end the vlog here because this shit is annoying. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, comment, say hey, whatever y'all want to say. Be positive and be nice. I don't want to be the whatever y'all want. I'm on top of YouTuber. So be nice in the comments if y'all gonna comment. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.